Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check what profile you're using for your RAZER Viper V4 Pro. So what you guys want to do first is go over, and here we are in the Razer Synapse. Now we're gonna go to devices and we're gonna tap on our Viper V4 Pro. Now here we got our profiles. So as you guys can see, the profile that we are using will be highlighted with the green color. As you guys can see now, this one will be highlighted instead of the first one. And that's how you guys can easily find the profile that you are using and which one is an active one. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.